Hello viewers, I am Saurabh. Welcome to my new YouTube channel MLT Study. For TMLT and BMLT students, I will upload various important topics of pathology, biochemistry, microbiology and histopathology. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Without time waste, I am going to today's topic, and today's topic is chemistry of carbohydrate from the biochemistry section. So let's start. This is the index portion of this topic. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, definition. Number 3, classification. Number 4, identification test. Number 5, importance. And at last, few questions answers of this topic for DMLT and BMLT examination. So without skip, please watch the full video. Number 1, introduction. Carbohydrate is one of the major component of Indian food. The percentage of carbohydrate in Indian diet equal to 60 to 70%. Example of food containing carbohydrates: bread, beans, potatoes, cookies, popcorn, rice, etc. Number 2, definition. Carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone. Polyhydroxyaldehyde means aldehyde derivatives or aldose. Polyhydroxyketone means ketone derivatives or ketose. Carbohydrate means hydrated carbon. So its formula shows that 1 molecule of water per carbon atom. This is the formula CnH2O whole n. N equal to number of atom or molecule. Number 3, classification. Carbohydrate can be classified following 3 bases. Number 1, on the basis of taste. Number 2, on the basis of reduction test. Number 3, on the basis of hydrolysis. Number 1, on the basis of taste, carbohydrate can be classified into 2 groups: sugar and non-sugar. Sugar, soluble in water and sweet taste. Example, glucose, fructose, lactose. Non-sugar is insoluble in water and tasteless. Example, starch, cellulose. Number 2, on the basis of reduction test. On the basis of reduction test, carbohydrate can be classified into 2 groups: reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. Reducing sugar is a sugar that is capable of reducing a mild oxidizing agent like toluenes or phthalate. Example, all monosaccharides and many disaccharides like maltose and lactose. What is monosaccharide and disaccharide? I will explain later. So without skip, please watch the video. Number 2, non-reducing sugar. A sugar that is not capable to reduce a mild oxidizing agent like phthalate, toluenes reagent. Example, all polysaccharides and few disaccharides like sucrose. Number 3, on the basis of hydrolysis. Carbohydrates are classified into 3 categories. Number 1, monosaccharide. Polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone which cannot be hydrolyzed. Example, glucose, fructose, galactose. Number 2, oligosaccharide. When 2 to 10 monosaccharides joins together by O-glycosidic linkage form oligosaccharides. There is different types of oligosaccharide. Number 1, disaccharide. When 2 monosaccharide joins together by O-glycosidic bond called disaccharide. Example, lactose, maltose, sucrose. On hydrolysis, from lactose we get glucose and galactose. From maltose we get 2 molecules of glucose, and from sucrose we get glucose and fructose. Number 2, trisaccharide. On hydrolysis we get 3 monosaccharide. Example, ribose, glucose, rhamnose, and raffinose, glucose plus fructose plus galactose. Number 3, tetrasaccharide. On hydrolysis, we get 4 monosaccharide. Example, stachyose, 4 molecules of glucose we get. Number 3, polysaccharide. When more than 10 monosaccharides joins together by O-glycosidic linkage form polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is divided into 2 groups. Number 1, homopolysaccharide. On hydrolysis, all monosaccharides are identical, means same. Example, starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin, inulin, etc. And number 2, heteropolysaccharide. On hydrolysis, we get different types of monosaccharide. Example, mucopolysaccharide. Number 4, identification test. Carbohydrate identification test name is Mollis test, and reducing sugar identification test name is Benedict test and Fehling test. Importance. Carbohydrate provides energy to the body like muscle, tissue, brain, prevent the breakdown of proteins for energy, reduce breakdown of fatty acid and prevent ketosis, store energy in the form of starch in plants and glycogen in animals and humans. Few important question answers. Number 1, what is glycosidic linkage? The covalent bond linking the anomeric carbon of a carbohydrate with the alcoholic OH group of some other molecule is called O-glycosidic linkage or bond. Number 2, what is dextrose? The dextrorotatory form of glucose is called as dextrose or D-glucose. Number 3, why sucrose is called as non-reducing sugar? No free anomeric carbon is available in sucrose because in sucrose glycosidic bond is made of C1 of glucose and C2 of fructose, and sucrose is not capable of reducing a mild oxidizing agent like toluenes or Fehling reagent. That is why sucrose is called as non-reducing sugar. Number 4, lactose is known as A, malt sugar, B, cane sugar, C, milk sugar, D, none. Here the right answer is milk sugar. Maltose is called as malt sugar, sucrose is called as cane sugar. Number 5, classify carbohydrate. And number 6, write down the example of polysaccharide: starch, cellulose, chitin, glycogen, etc.